Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic box mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, select any selection tool that you like, so I'm just going to use Object Selection Tool. Open the mode at the top, and select the lasso, and create a loose selection around the tissue box. Press Ctrl J to cut the subject from its background. Double-click on this, and rename it Box. Press Ctrl J to duplicate, and rename it Highlights. Disable the layer. Select the layer below, create a new layer, and rename it Box Design. Now go to File, and open your design. Open your rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar, and select all the design. Go to Edit, and choose Copy. Let's come back to our image. Go to Filter, and open Vanishing Point. Open your Plane tool. Then create a grid that matches the box's perspective. Now hold Ctrl key, and drag on this point to create another face and match the perspective as well. Press Ctrl V to paste. And press Ctrl T to transform. Hold the Shift key, then you can scale and drag the design layer into position. And all you need to do is scale the design by dragging on the handles. Then hold the Alt key and drag to duplicate the design layer. Scale again by dragging on the handles. Click OK once you're satisfied. Go back to File, and place your second design. Then select all the image. Go to Edit, and copy the design. Now let's come back to our image. Go back to Filter, and Vanishing Point. Press Ctrl V to paste. And Ctrl T to transform. Hold the Shift key, then scale and drag the design layer into position. Then click OK when you're finished. Right-click and create Clipping Mask. Change the blend mode of this layer from Normal to Multiply. Now enable the top layer. Change the blend mode to Screen. Click on the Adjustment layer, and create a Levels. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. I'll increase the midtone input level to 0.30. The shadow input level is 125, and the highlight output level is 90. Then close Properties window. Select the background. Open your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. Create a selection of the areas which are covering the box. Select the design layer. Then create a layer mask. Press Ctrl I to invert. And that's it. Thanks for watching.